Okay, so hello everyone. Today in this video, I'm going to explain the new subtopic that you need to learn for today. It's about simplifying a cosine x plus minus b sine x. Okay, so if you can see right here, we have a sine x plus minus b cosine x. It can be written in another form, which is r sine x plus minus alpha. Okay, with the terms here, r must be greater than 0 and also the alpha from the interval 0 until 90 degrees. How the idea coming from actually, if you still remember this part, sine 30 degrees. What value that equal to sine 30 degrees? Yes, cosine 60 degrees. So if you can see right here, we have sine 30 degrees is 1 over 2, right? If you try with your calculator, the cosine 60 degrees later on also 1 over 2. So we have this equation right here, sine alpha equal to the cosine of 90 degrees minus alpha. The alpha here must be from 0 until 90 degrees. That's why where this idea coming from, it is from there. It is from here. So yes, you can change this form into this form, or you can change this form into r cos x plus minus plus alpha. Okay, what is the method and how to change that form? Let's see example here. For example, we have 2 cosine theta plus 8 sine theta equal r cosine theta minus alpha. Actually, this question, I got it from the question that I have give you earlier. What is it? Yeah, the practice one. The number 4, if I am not mistaken. So, you can write it like this. 2 cosine theta plus 8 sine theta will be equal to the r cosine theta minus alpha. This part we break it down. R cosine theta minus alpha using the addition formula. Okay, what is the addition formula for this cosine theta minus alpha? Okay, still remember, yeah? It is cosine sine, right? So if this is plus, then here it becomes positive. Remember, yeah, the formula. Cosine sine. Okay, like that. And then here, still the same. We just need to rewrite it here. Okay, after that, what else, miss? Okay, let's just rewrite it here again. And this r, we need to expand the brackets. Okay, expand the brackets so that you will come up with the value of r cos theta cos alpha plus r sin theta sin alpha. Now, let's see right here. This one, we have cos theta. This one also we have cos theta. In another side, we have sin theta. We have sin theta here, right? So actually, I can do manipulation here. I just switch them so that it will be easier for us to see the relation between them. Here is actually r cos alpha cos theta. Sorry, this is theta. Plus r sin alpha sin theta. Now, let's see what relation that they have. Here cos theta, here cos theta. Sine theta with sine theta. So we have this r sine alpha is equal to 8, and we have here r cos theta, r cos alpha equal to 2. Now let's just make new equation for both of them. Here we will have r cos alpha and r sine alpha equal 8. Okay, I think that's clear already, yeah. So after we have this equation right here, we need to remember what should we do. We are going to find the value of alpha, and also we need to find the value of r. What is alpha and what is r? The r right here is actually the coefficient. We need to find the new coefficient right here. It's no longer 2 and 8. That is a new equation, so that it will be equal later on with this equation right here. Okay, and what is alpha? We need to find the angle, so that when theta minus that angle, the cosine of that theta minus that angle, it will be the same with the equation beside on the left side. Okay, so next, first of all, I think we need to find the alpha first. Later on we can find the r. Okay, let's find the alpha first. How do we find the alpha using these two equations? Okay, so actually we can divide both of them, r sine alpha and also r cosine alpha, so that later on we may come up with the alpha. Okay, here will be a over 2, and here this r will be cancelled, remaining sine alpha over cos alpha. This is tangent alpha, so tangent alpha is actually 8 over 2. What is 8 over 2? Yes, that is 4. So alpha will equal to arctangent of 4. So what is alpha then? Okay, remember, if you are going to find the angle, remember this interval, yeah? The alpha works only from the interval 0 until 90 degrees. What value that works in the tangent that equal with 4? 75.96 degrees. Okay. Miss, is there any alpha again? No. Remember, we only find the angle that works in the first quadrant. So there is no more. We don't see the quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. Yeah. Even if the tangent is positive in the quadrant 3, but still we only see and we only take the alpha from the first quadrant. Like that. We already find the alpha. Now we're gonna find the r value. How do we find the r value? This is the first one, yeah? You need to divide to find the alpha. The second one, in order to find the r, we can add both of the equation before that we have here. R cosine alpha, here 8 plus 2. Okay, so this is r squared sine squared alpha, r squared cosine squared alpha, 8 squared, 2 squared. Here becomes r squared. We factorize. Why? Here, they have the same r squared, right? So here sine squared alpha plus cosine squared alpha. Here 8 squared plus 2 squared, or let me just write the value here, 64, this is 4. R squared, what is sine squared alpha plus cosine squared alpha? Yes, correct. This is 1. Here becoming 64.8. Here r squared equals 68. So what is r then? It will equal to root of 68. Divide 2, 34, divide 2, 17. Okay, this one 17 already. So this r is actually 2 root of 17. Then after that, we come up with the final result, 2 cos theta plus 8 sin theta. Can we write it in the form of r, which is r is 2 root 17 cosine theta minus 75.96, right? Or we can just make it into whole numbers, 676 degrees. Done.